cow, what is going on, everyone? We are at the Hilton Orlando Bonnet Creek Resort, located actually on Walt Disney World property, but it is not a Disney-owned and operated resort. It's actually considered a Walt Disney World
gateway resort.
Yeah. So the only difference is that it's not owned by Disney, but you still actually get some perks if you stay here. Just being upfront and honest right now, we did not pay to stay here this weekend. We were invited to stay here. We're actually really excited about it.
We're super excited and like super thankful.
Yes.
That we were given this opportunity to stay here.
Absolutely. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, which is try out some of the surrounding resorts.
Yeah.
Specifically around Disney. Most of them are by Disney Springs, and this is located pretty close to Disney Springs. Just because a lot of people don't always want to stay at Disney property or on Disney property.
Yeah.
They want to stay somewhere else, or they have a
timeshare
or Hilton
or
points.
Points, yeah.
Exactly. We are extremely thankful for the opportunity, and
we're ready to go tour the resort.
Yeah,
we want to check this place out. We've literally been to the lobby and dropped our bags off in the room.
Yeah.
And we're just excited to go explore because we don't know what's all here.
Yeah, we don't. It's a pretty nice looking resort. And I don't know how many videos that we're going to have out of this. We're definitely going to do like a resort tour.
A room tour.
A room tour. A couple of dining reviews. And then, I don't know, maybe just vlogs of just like hanging out here at the resort. So, let's do it. Alright, so Taylor and I haven't even been here for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. And we were told about this like little ice cream thing that they've got going on, which is, they're making with like CO2, right? Or, yeah. So we're going to try it out, and it sounds really good.
Liquid nitrogen ice cream. I've always wanted to try this, so I'm pretty excited. I think it's just vanilla, and then you could get whatever kind of toppings they had over there, so I just got some Oreo. Good ice cream. It's like an Oreo tornado.
I don't know if I've ever had ice cream made this fresh before, but of course I got mine with gummy bears. It's just your standard vanilla bean like ice cream, but it's pretty good. It's super awesome to sit there and watch them make it. Pour the liquid nitrogen and everything, it's awesome. something that's really cool that we had no idea is that they actually have a Disney store located right here in the Hilton Orlando Bonnet Creek Resort Hotel. So we're gonna check it out. So the Disney store that's here is like a legit Disney store.
Oh yeah, it's Disney. There was a cast member working in there.
And it's even more than like your mall Disney store. Like this is like a legit Disney store that you would find in the parks.
Oh yeah.
Or at a Disney resort.
They have magic bands that you can buy in there. So if you're staying here and you didn't get a magic band, you can go in there and buy one. Yep. And then they actually also sell park tickets. So you could buy your park ticket, link it, get it all together.
Christmas.
Oh yeah, ornaments, they had some Christmas ornaments.
Shirts.
Ears.
Everything.
Anything that you could
Pretty much anything that you could find in a Disney store at a resort, you're going to find in there as well.
Yeah.
Super cool. You're not staying on or at an owned and operated Disney resort, but it still very much has that kind of feeling, though, which is nice. I like that. All right, Taylor, so we have been here now for almost 2 hours? Over an hour? All right, so what are your reactions so far?
This place is really nice. Not that I'm like surprised. I figured it was going to be nice because Hiltons are typically really nice, but I guess I didn't realize how big it was going to be. When you walk into the lobby is huge and open. There's a huge sitting area right in the middle. Where you check in is over off to the right side, and then there's a big like bar area straight towards the back, and it actually is like, it's like a bar lounge, a bunch of seating areas, and there's actually like these little doorways. I could hear like pool water outside, and I couldn't figure out why until we walked into that lounge area behind the bar, and it's actually open to the outside. So we've basically toured the whole lobby area. We can see where the bars and lounges are at, the restaurants, the Disney store, and then there's a huge pool area, which we haven't gone out there yet because it was actually raining. And we're actually gonna head into dinner, but I cannot wait to check out this pool area tomorrow.
All right, so we just finished eating dinner, and we're now gonna head upstairs to the room and do a little room tour, I suppose. That's part of the overall resort tour? I don't know.
Okay, so we literally just walked into our room. So whenever we first got here, we ran up to the room, dropped our bags off, looked in the room real quick, and then ran right back downstairs. Basically did a resort tour, and then went to dinner, and now we're just coming back to the room. It's been hours now that we've been here, and we just came back to the coffee table all set up with bottles of Mike's Hard Lemonade, Angry Orchard obviously for Josh, a bottle of wine.
Something really cool that we found out is that down here at the pool, they do a little movie night, just like they do at the Disney resorts.
They do it on Friday and Saturday nights.
Yeah, so we are going to come down and watch. They're actually showing Tangled tonight.
I love Tangled.
And I don't think we're going to watch the whole thing, but we're at least going to come down and watch part of the movie. And then we're going to head back up to our room later tonight to watch the fireworks.
We have a perfect view of Hollywood Studios.
We do. I don't know what like this seating arrangement is going to be like down here, but we're going to find out. It's a pretty decently large screen. All right, so right here is the screen. And looks like they have got it turned on. It's supposed to start in about 7 minutes. These are our seats.
Hollywood Studios fireworks are going to start at 10 o'clock, so we are going to run up to the room. That way we can watch from the window.
All right, so we're going to sit here and watch the fireworks out of our window. The only thing is that we have to turn this light off so that we can actually get some of the fireworks through the camera. Also, all you're going to see is a reflection in the window, which you can probably see right now.